had two people inside of there said they served you, and even the bartender.
Nobody served me, sir. I asked for a jump. The guy was trying to hit on me. He offered me a drink. I declined. Okay, my fiance comes here a lot.
On March 15th, police in Lockport Township, Illinois, responded after a bystander reported seeing a woman drinking inside a bar while her two young children were allegedly left alone in a vehicle outside. Investigators later determined the same woman had reportedly done the same thing on another occasion in 2022, with the children, ages 2 and 3, left in the vehicle for up to an hour. After the second incident, the children were placed in the care of another family member.
You know whose car that is? Everything.
Yeah, it's fine.
All right, you Kimberly Wells?
I am.
You are?
All right.
What were they doing in the car? You're not in the car.
I actually went in my husband.
He's in there right now?
No, he's not. He's actually working.
Okay, but you
he works
can't.
at a beach house.
You can't be leaving kids in the car.
No, I just actually went to get food. So he's a waiter over there. So
And the one over there?
yeah, beach house. Yeah.
Is there a reason you're parked in the bar parking lot?
No, there's not a reason. I'm just waiting on him to get off of work. So we kind of had an altercation. So.
Do you have your
Sector 23, if you want to just go ahead and come in. 124.
But I'm having issues with my truck, so he's gonna give me a jump.
Can you go just?
Who's the cover on this car? I mean the caller.
Can you go over there and ask him what time? Like she got the time she got there.
All right, 10-4. Yeah, I'm okay. And you were not in here. You were across
No, I
the
was
street.
yeah, he's a waiter over there, so we're having issues with the truck.
Yeah,
So.
you know his name?
Yeah.
Was there a female white that was just in here ordering food?
What I'm sorry?
Was there a white female in here that was ordering food with black pants on? Because the reason why we got a call is because there's some kids in a car over there that's unoccupied.
That's unoccupied?
Yeah.
We had someone in table 2, but I'm not sure if it was on.
It wasn't? Okay. So, all right. And there's no one by name. All right. Thanks. Appreciate it. No, because the girl, she said that she was in here. So I'm just confirming with y'all, but y'all don't even know, so. Right. So. Yeah. I think she was in that bar across the street, so I'll check that. So, all right. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a good one.
The officer heads towards the bar across the street to begin questioning the bartenders when the man who called in the incident approaches him.
How you doing?
Hey, I just want this to stay anonymous.
Okay.
I was the one that called in.
Okay.
And I noticed the baby was there when I was picking up bottles and garbage and stuff, and
For how long?
called in. I noticed maybe, I want to say 30 minutes. I could be on and
Was she
off.
in there
but
drinking?
Yeah, she was in there drinking, yeah. I didn't know it was her, and I didn't want to bother everybody telling there's
Yeah.
a baby out there. Like, I just want to make sure you guys are aware of that way she stops this shit, man, because that's ridiculous.
She comes in here often?
I've seen her once or twice, maybe
Okay.
3 times, yeah.
Okay, thanks. So I can have
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
you know what I'm
don't say
saying?
I called.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have you remain anonymous.
Yes, please.
Definitely. So, how many drinks you think she had?
She got here maybe 2-3 drinks ago. She hasn't been here long. Maybe, like I said, maybe a half hour. I really didn't take exact count.
But the thing is, you shouldn't be, as a parent, you know.
I know,
you,
and that's
you
why I
shouldn't
called.
be
That's why I
coming in
called.
here.
That's why I called.
Because she initially told us that she was across the street.
Oh.
But
Okay.
we get here and, you know, you tell us a whole different story. So, okay.
Yeah, no, she's been
we'll
here
deal
for-
with it.
Okay, yeah.
All right.
Please.
Thank
If
you,
you need
sir.
anything, I'll be inside.
I appreciate it.
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
All right. So, check this out.
Chelsea, have you?
As his officers, you know, we have to do an investigation.
Of course.
Okay. All right. You say you were where?
Habitual.
Okay. So, I went in there. I asked him, "Well, you in here? You know, you weren't in there, right? So why would you lie?"
Going to be a male black 16.
There's not a reason that I would lie. It's just me and my fiance are having problems. So my truck died out. He's at work currently. I had nowhere. I don't know anybody to give me a jump. My phone died out. I went in here to ask somebody to give me a jump. Nobody can give me a jump. So
Okay. You went in there and asked him to give you a jump.
yeah, because my truck doesn't start
They don't start at all.
at all.
So
I just, you know, I'm gonna be honest. So like, I'm not sitting here trying to run around. It's just, you know, I don't have I already have an open investigation,
I know.
and I don't need another one. So I
Yeah.
just need a jump. My fiance's at work, and I was coming. So my sister lives right here on Center Street. I went to
Okay.
give my niece a gift, but my truck died out. So what am I
Okay.
gonna do? My
let
phone
me-
my phone is dead. I'm just waiting on my fiance to get to work. You could verify that he gets out of work at 9 o'clock. I know this is not the best place. I'm well aware of that.
Kim, let me ask. If we go inside that bar right now and I say, let me look at your cameras, is it going to show you drinking?
No,
No. Is it going to show you in the bar at all?
no.
No?
I just went in there to get a jump.
How long?
So-
How long are you in there for?
Not even 5 minutes. So like I said, I asked people to give me a jump. I went into the restaurant.
So I asked him. I said, did female white come here? And I gave the description.
Correct.
They said no. I mean, I did talk to some named Anonymous.
Okay.
They said you had 2 drinks inside.
I didn't have no drinks.
So if we go inside right now and ask him, if we show him you, he's going to say that you were not inside.
I have
You
not
go
had
later.
it, but I haven't had a drink. I asked for a jump. That was it.
You're still wrong, right?
Yeah, I am.
Can you go inside and talk to the bartender or
Yeah.
whoever the one yeah, makes it?
Yeah. Okay.
One of the girls served her.
Okay. So, because she's saying no, she didn't, right? And so,
You want me to find out exactly how many?
Yeah. Because
Say she served her 2 Coronas within a half hour.
within a half hour. Okay.
Yeah.
And is she able to? If she look out the window and I have her identify her and say that's her, can she do that for me? If she can just step out to the side out there in the front, just look around, and I'm gonna say yes, because she's been arrested before for this.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, this got to stop. See, that's why I called in. This has got to stop. That's bullshit, really, man. That pissed me off, really.
Yeah. So just you speak English? Okay, it's okay. Yeah, just go to the side and then look at that lady right there.
Okay.
I'm not gonna. I'm gonna stay right here because just look to the side and just say yes or no. That's the lady that you said. In the car, she's standing in the parking lot.
Oh, okay.
Yes, she's here.
That's her. Okay. All right. Okay. Thanks, guys. Appreciate that. All right. So again, I'll let you. This is up to you. Okay.
Okay.
The more you be honest with us.
I understand that. I am gonna be
So-
honest.
Had 2 people inside of there said they served you, and even the bartender. they served
Nobody
you.
served me, sir. I asked for a jump. The guy was trying to hit on me. He offered me a drink. I declined. Okay, my fiance comes here a lot. Okay, I declined that.
They wouldn't have said they served you if someone bought you a drink.
But
served you
sir,
means you paid for it.
I didn't pay for that. He offered it. I was coming in here for a jump. My fiance is well aware of where I'm at right now. If you guys could just call him. My
Okay.
vehicle does not start. I already have an open investigation. Sir, I don't want any, I don't want problems. I'm not a bad person.
Are you good
I
with
know.
95 for now? I'm putting it back in my car. Yeah. Okay, Kim, do me a
Yeah.
favor.
Sure.
Let's transfer it back.
Yep.
Rob, take this off first.
Not a problem.
And then once we can.
I'll show you a step over it.
So can I at least call my fiance? My phone died out.
Well, we
Hold
can.
on. Right now, you're just being detained, okay? You're not.
That's fine. But my fiance is at work. I don't have nobody to come get my kids.
What
Didn't you
about
just say you're waiting on your cousin on Center Street?
No,
her
that's
sister.
my sister. My
Is it?
sister's in the process of moving. Sir, please. My fiance's at work. Can I please call him? My phone died out.
Hold on.
I'm gonna double lock him, okay?
Please. He's at work.
Hold on. Okay.
Sir, I'm gonna be.
Kim, we're trying. We're still investigating. We're trying to.
That's
we're trying to have you help
fine.
yourself. Okay? Do you have anything on you?
I do not. I don't have weapons. I don't have drugs. I don't have anything. My truck doesn't start. My fiance gets off of work in 30 minutes. He was gonna meet me here.
Okay. Where's your fiance work at?
He works.
Where's your fiance work?
He's working at a warehouse.
Which one?
In Manuka. Mr. Robinson, can you please, sir, please. I don't got nobody to pick up my kids.
Hold on.
His name. Right. I told you that because I just thought. I didn't think this was going to be this necessary.
Just lied to the police because
I apologize.
Well,
sir, I apologize.
Kim, when he left to go back in the bar, I said, I'll give you a chance to be honest. Does he work there? And you said, yeah.
Okay.
And then I said, he already confirmed he doesn't.
I
none of them know that.
apologize.
All right.
Mr. Robinson, I apologize.
Mr. Wells.
I got 2 kids.
What as we know,
I have nobody to pick
Is
up
this
my
an iPhone?
No, it's Android. Yeah.
I have an iPhone.
So, I talked to him.
Okay.
He didn't know nothing about the car breaking down or jumping, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So, right now, you can be in custody for child endangerment, okay? All right?
All right, I'll put you in the back of my squad, okay?
So what about my kids?
I'm gonna call our sergeant. We're gonna deal with that, okay?
The 37-year-old woman was later arrested and charged with child endangerment. Authorities said she was taken into custody after missing a scheduled court appearance, and she remained in the Will County Jail at the time of the report. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.